children, now ma'am is again back with a new video, and this is video number 2 of chapter lesson number 10, and the name of the chapter is shapes and patterns, and this is video number 2, and in this video again ma'am is going to introduce you all with some new shapes. I think you all are knowing all these shapes, you all are familiar with these shapes, but ma'am is going to tell you something more about all these shapes. Okay, the first shape which ma'am is going to tell you all is C. Which shape is this? Yes, this is square shape. Okay, yes, this is square shape. You can see this side both are equal, and this side is also equal. All these four sides are equal. One side, two sides, three sides, and four sides. How many sides are there? Four sides are there in this shape. What is the name of this shape? Square. Okay. And how many corners are there? 1, 2, 3, and 4. How many corners are there? 4 corners. And children, again, this time again we have to, you all have to tell me about some examples of square shape. Can you tell me? Yes. Tell me fast. Do you play carom? Do you play chess? Have you seen the carom board? Have you seen the chess board? All are square in shape. All are square in shape. And what is most important thing about square? All 4 sides are equal. All 4 sides are equal. Okay children, now it's tracing time. Okay, and this time we all are going to trace the squares. Okay, children, take out your maths course book, page number 137, and we are going to trace the square. Children, we have done it earlier also. In the same way we are going to do tracing again. Okay, see, first in dotted lines are given here, and we will join it to make a square. Okay children? Yes children, dotted lines are given, and we have to just join them first to make a square, and then in this empty boxes we will do trace the square freehand. We will trace the squares freehand. Okay children, in the same way you are going to do the children. In the first 3 boxes you all will join the dotted lines. In the last 3 boxes you will trace the square with freehand, and you all are going to color all 6 squares with which color? Yes, green color. Very good children. One very unique shape ma'am is going to tell you all about. In earlier shapes we have seen that they all are having corners, and they all are having sides also, but ma'am is going to tell you one very unique shape which is not having any sides, which is not having any corner. Okay, can you guess which shape is this? Yes, this is the circle. Is there any side? Is there any side of the circle? No side. Is there any corner? No corner. This shape is very unique. Which shape is this? This is circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. Learn the spelling also. And this shape is having no sides and no corners. And this time you all have to tell me the example. I know very well you all are shouting, and you all are saying, yes, wheels of the bicycle, wheels of the car. Yes, you all are right. The very good example of circle is wheels. And we can say sun, we can say moon also. We used to see in the Yes, we used to see sun and moon in the sky, and the shape of the sun and the full moon is circle. Very good, children. Now again tracing of circle. Page number 138 of our maths course book. We will go and do the tracing of these given circles. Okay. First we trace on the dotted lines, and again on this space we will do the tracing of circles freehand. Okay, like this only we have to do tracing of the circle freehand, and we will color also. First we will join these dotted lines, and then here in this space we will do tracing of the circle freehand, and we will color it also. Okay, one more shape. This time I am going to tell you one more shape just like circle. And which shape is this? This is oval. This one is oval. O, V, A and L. Oval. Again this shape is not having any corner. No corner. No corners. And no sides. And the very good example of this oval is an egg. What is the example of this oval? An egg. Okay, children? Course book only, page number 138. Again we have to do the tracing of oval on the dotted lines first. First we are going to join the dotted lines, and again in this space we will do the tracing of oval freehand. Okay, and then we will do the coloring also. And now children, in the maths course book only, we will do the checkpoint. Checkpoint number 1, which is given on the page number 139. Page number 139, we will do this checkpoint. What we have to do in this checkpoint is, shapes are given in this side and name of the shapes are given here on the other side. We have to do the matching. We will do the matching. Okay, children? And that's why ma'am has told you to learn all the spellings also. Okay? Now children, in your application book C, maths application book C, we will do worksheet 10.1. First we will do worksheet 10.1. And what you all have to do in this worksheet is color all the squares blue. First you all will identify where is the square. Where is the square? Here it is. So you will do it blue color. Okay. All these squares you have to do in blue color. And then it's time for rectangles. You have to do rectangles in green color. Find out where are rectangles. All these are rectangles. So you all have to color the rectangles green. Now it's time for triangles. Triangles you have to do in red color. Where are the triangles? Here are they. Color them in red color. Okay. And circles we have to do in orange color. We have to do the circles with orange color. Where are the circles? Here are they. Do it with orange color. Okay. Now again we have to do worksheet 10.2 also. Okay. See, pictures of various objects are given here, and what we have to do is we have to do the matching with the plane shapes. This CD, its shape is similar to circle, so it's already done for you. And this shape of this clock is like square, so we will match it with square. Okay, and this clock, it's like circle, so again you have to match it with circle. And this TV, it's like rectangle, so you have to match it with rectangle. And here also you have to do it with the shapes given here. This road sign, this sandwich you are going to do with triangle, and this notepad you will do with rectangle, and this chessboard you will do with square. Okay. Observe the following objects. Now question number B. Observe the following objects in your surroundings and identify the shape of their outlines. Blackboard, door, pencil. Which shape is blackboard? You are going to write it here. Rectangle. Door, rectangle you will write it here. Pencil box, you will see your pencil box. Which shape is this? And you will write it here. Everything you have to see which shape is, you will identify the shape of objects given here, and you have to write in the blanks. Is that clear, children? Now it's homework time for you all. Okay. In this homework, what you have to do, using all the shapes which ma'am has told you in video number 1 and video number 2 also, we will make a you can say a puppet or joker, anything. Okay. First, see, using a triangle, we will make a cap. Okay. And on the top of this cap, we will make a small circle. Okay. And here also, using circle, big circle, we will make, using circle, we will make the face of the joker. Okay. And then small circles for eyes, and one straight line for nose, and one curved line for lips, and again one small rectangle for neck, and then again a square for the body. Okay. Then again two small rectangles for legs, and small circles for button. Okay. In this way we are going to make a picture of a puppet, and for hands we can use rectangles, small rectangles. Okay, like this. And for hand we can use curved lines. Okay, children, and you all will draw this puppet or joker, whatever you can say, and you have to color this also. Okay, and make it attractive as much as possible. Okay, and this work you have to do in your maths copy. Okay, children, bye. See you in the next video. Till then, take care, be healthy.